Today's competition is to see who can travel the farthest, and as you can see, we have a wide selection of contestants. They will each start in turn from the top of our new My First Thomas & Friends Twisting Tower Tracks set, which Thomas will demonstrate for you. It has 2 ramps down, but the racers will only use one. Thank you, Thomas. Now, our racers will run down the steep slope and the winner will be the one to travel the farthest on the grass. First up, we have Ernie in his Sesame Street Racer. Nice one, Ernie. In the trees, but that doesn't matter. Next, we have Mater. Oh, good try, Mater. Now Percy. Wow, pulls in just behind Ernie. If you hadn't turned over, you might be in the lead, Percy. We now have our first truck, ridden by George Pig. Oh, good try, George. Thomas, this is your track. How are you going to do? Good try. Further than Mater, but not quite as far as Percy. Our second Sesame Street racer, Cookie Monster. Ooh, not so good. I think your flag's got in the way. Now our first Chuggington contestant, Wilson. Good try, almost as far as George. Our second truck rider is Hello Kitty. Nice try. Now a mini hero. Another nice try. And now the race favourite, Lightning McQueen. Wow, what a distance! And just takes the lead from Ernie. Well done, McQueen. Our last truck rider, Minnie Mouse. Cool, that was great. Not quite as far as Thomas, but definitely the best truck rider. And now our second chugger, Action Chugger. Good, but not quite as far as Wilson. Our last Sesame Street racer, Grover. Oh dear, your flags definitely stopped you, Grover. Now last to go is the old sea dog himself, Salty. Wow! Salty, what did you have for breakfast? I think, yes, you have just beaten Lightning McQueen to win the competition. Well done. So this is the order from last to first. Peppa Pig presents the trophy to Salty.